Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to make rose petals lip balm at home. Before we directly jump into the video, what are the causes? Your chapped lips could be caused by something aside from dry weather. An allergic reaction, yeast infection, or something more serious can make your lips feel dry and uncomfortable. To make your lips more attractive, soft and pink, this video is specially for you. Don't have to worry, we got you. Let's go back to the video. Firstly, we have to take a good amount of rose petals and wash it. After washing rose petals, take them out in a bowl. Now take another bowl, put those rose petals into it and add 1/4 cup of water. And now cover and let it boil for 2 minutes. After boiling for 2 minutes, strain the boiled rose water into a jar. A minute later, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Also add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Now mix it well. After mixing, store into a clean container or according to your convenience. Now for final approval, put that container into the refrigerator for a few minutes. After that, your natural rose petals lip balm is ready to use. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, bye bye. Take care, adoring babies. Love you all.